What's up guys, Sean here, video number 76 out of 365, and today, of course, important topic. I'm talking about how you can go in your life by acting who you really are, or just being yourself. So I think throughout life, a lot of people get influenced, a lot of people get directed in a certain way to where they kind of lose track of what they authentically are, what they really stand for, their beliefs, their values, their different friendships, what they love, what they hate. You know, they lose track of this stuff, and eventually they start acting in a way where they aren't necessarily who they really are. So that's kind of like a mixed up a little bit, but let me clarify. So I just think that even in my life, people pursue certain paths, and I've talked about this in other videos. They pursue certain degrees, certain things that, you know, they're cool, they're interesting, and they might be kind of good at it, but they don't necessarily stand for who they really are as a person. Now, it might be that their passions are not aligned up, or their strengths are not aligned up, or just their natural self, the way they act, the born DNA, should I say. One of my favorite mentors is a guy named Gary Vaynerchuk, and he talks about you want to bet on your strengths, but you also want to know what your DNA is. What is really ingrained in you as a person when you were born. And I think a lot of people go away from this. They get lost in all the jumbo jambo of social networks and friends and family and people trying to influence them, and they go away from what they really believe deep down inside. And sometimes these peer groups will pressure you into being something you're not, especially society. Society always tries to push us in a certain way, tries to make us see that the only way you can get to the top is by this way, this proven track. Go to college, get a degree, work your way at the top, and you'll be at the top and you'll have a great life. That's cool. A lot of people will do that, and that fits in their strengths, it fits in their passion, and also fits in who they are. But a lot of people aren't like that. A lot of people don't necessarily go down that path because that's not what their DNA is for. Some people are born to be entrepreneurs. Some people are born to be artists, to be speakers, to be video bloggers, to be corporate giants, anything in between. But a lot of people throughout this whole entire process called life, they get lost. They don't understand that I need to stick with what I'm built with, my DNA inside, and they let other people influence that DNA to where they move away from it. Now, obviously, there's certain things in life that will influence you, and things change, world changes, you change as you read books and you grow up and you mature and stuff like that. But I'm talking about what always lies inside, that deep down dormant DNA inside your body that tells you every single day that you're either doing what you love or you're not. And I hope you guys understand this, that people have a certain amount of, I guess, knowledge inside them. In this knowledge, when you bundle all up, it's what makes them who they are, their authentic self. If they're goofy, or if they're happy all the time, or if they're mad, or whatever type of emotions they put out every single day, that's who they are, right? But then the world comes, and then their friends come, and then, you know, jobs come, and people come, and just certain things come in their life, and they start getting influenced to act a certain different way because that's how they should act, But in reality, is that really how you should act? Why not stick to what you were born with? Why not stick with what actually feels good? Who cares what the guy next to you thinks? If you're the most goofy person in the room and you're gonna stop being goofy just because your friend thinks you're stupid, do you really want that to stop you? I don't think it's worth it, guys. I honestly think you need to utilize your strengths, and I'll catch you in video number 77. Sorry I made this short, but I gotta go, guys. Thanks again.